Pipedrive Product. Pipedrive Product feature enables you to create products or services, price them, and link them to deals. If you add products to a deal, the deal value will be calculated automatically based on the sum of product prices in that deal. Create custom products. No matter what you're selling, there's a place for it in Pipedrive. Easily customize your account around your unique product. Add various product codes, costs, special notes, and much more. Multiple linking options. Products can be linked to deals, which in turn can be linked to clients or specific contacts. Create duplicates and delete products in bulk when necessary. Create custom filters. Creating unique filters allow you to organize and find specific products easily. smartMILE CRM consulting services can help you fight scattered customer data, poor lead conversion, and low sales rates. Contact our experts today and start closing more deals faster.